Winton School, Kor Beth here. She is Beth. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapare the 30th of March.
Okay, let's get into it. Kupu or te wiki. This week's word is Wharepaku, which is te reo for toilet.
As in, can I please use the bathroom?
No, you can't. Have you been using this week's word this week?
No, I haven't. Ka on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 until 3.
And now potae is still required from 11. Kia ora. I need my hat.
Middle gardening group representatives from room 6 to 11. Please meet with Miss O'Neill in room 6 at 12:30 today with your lunchboxes, high-vis, vests and hats.
Today is the second day of our in-house quiz challenge, starting with our year 3-4 students. Can you please make sure if you're in a quiz team and year 3 or 4 that you go to the hall with your lunch at 12:30, please. House leaders, make sure your teams are there ready to go.
Remember, tomorrow is Sausage Sizzle Day.
Also, juices are back on sale. Just bring your $1 to the sausage stand and buy one from room 13 students.
Singing Kapahaka is on Friday this week, not on Rapare. That's Thursday. Remember, it is our last practice for our haka, so it would be good to see you all there. Ka pai.
Now, if you miss any nurses, you can play the news again or read all the nurses in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo. See you tomorrow. Haere rā, and stay sharp, Winton School.